In this video, I want to show you how you can use MvvmCross and our amazing extension that we created. This extension enables you to develop Xamarin apps with native UI while being able to share as much code as possible. I think it's a great extension that I worked on with our team, and what we really see is that we can use this extension to have the initial project set up much faster than before. When we started off with Xamarin, there's a lot of bootstrap, a lot of work that we need to do to put up our initial project. A lot of knowledge is being shared with the colleagues, but still there's a difference between projects every time. We want to give everybody in the Xamarin landscape a solid base, a solid architecture to start your new app project with. To help you save time, we created the extension called XabluCross for MvvmCross. I think it's a really convenient way to start up and accelerate your mobile development. I want to show you in this video how you can use this Visual Studio extension to start up your new app project. Let me take you through it right now. First, you need to install the Xamarin extension from the Visual Studio Marketplace. The minimum version we require is Visual Studio 2017. To install the extension, go to Settings and click on Extensions and Updates. Search for XabluCross for MvvmCross on the Marketplace and you'll find us there. Click on the Install button to install the extension in your Visual Studio environment. After I install the extension, I open up Visual Studio and go to File, New Project. First, I need to enter the name of the app that I'm going to create. After you've picked the options that you want to have, please press Next to continue to the next step. In this step, you can choose the organization identifier for your app and the target platforms. You can choose from Core, Android, iOS and Windows with Windows UWP. If you have not installed the support for Android, iOS or Windows, or even not, for example, the Java JDK, you get a hint and help to install those. After you've picked the correct options, press Next to continue to the next step. In this step, you can choose platform-specific options. You can choose, for example, on Android, if you want to have a navigation drawer and use fragments, or you just want to have a plain, clean app. Press Next to continue to what plugins you want to install. In the options for the plugins, you can find all NuGet packages that MvvmCross requires and all the additional ones that you might want to install. Also, you can find packages specifically made for Xablu and XabluCross. Another option is the open source packages that we recommend and often use. Pick whatever you like to get started. After you've picked the options and the NuGet packages you want, click on Next to choose your design options. In this wizard view, you can pick what your colors of the app are going to be. Also, you can change your app font or the app logo before you continue generating this app. Press Next to continue to the next option. In the Distribute and Test screen, you can find options to configure either Test Cloud or Hockey app. You need to create your Hockey app and Test Cloud instance first and get the AP key from there to use this feature. Create this using their websites and copy and paste the API key into the fields of the wizard. After you've done that, Hockey app and Test Cloud will be automatically added to your app. Press Next to continue. On this page you find an overview of the configuration you made for your app. You can see what packages are installed, what projects you want to create. Press Finish to start generating your new project. There's also a feedback button. We would be more than happy to receive your feedback and process it so we can improve the experience and the possibilities of our extension. After you've created your project, you might want to add new features to your existing project. To do this, simply press right mouse on the project and select Add New Item. Here you can find a list of options that you can pick from. You can either think about having a new view to that project or installing a feature like Azure services. After you tried out XabluCross, we would love to hear from you. We are committed to making this extension even better and having more possibilities and more power to the developers. If you feel that anything is missing, or you have cool ideas about what we can add to this extension, please let us know. We would love to hear from you. If you need support with MvvmCross, or you need training or consultancy, get to us. We are here to help you with that. We are thrilled about our extension and have a lot of plans on the roadmap. We want to add Visual Studio for Mac support, template-based code generation, Swagger-based generation on Azure, Azure Active Directory functionality, seamless updates of NuGet packages, and enterprise plugins. For more information, visit XabluCross.com.